Well, it's stupid o'clock. 3:37. Oh, so we've got a really long journey. God knows how long it's going to take. I'm going to start the timer though. Starting. Second time in a row that I had my bag searched by security, and it was just something silly. We're here in Italy, we've arrived, and got a bit hectic at the airport. Sue and I got separated, so we had separate seats, and I wasn't sure if she'd got, so we left at a different time. I wasn't sure if she'd got on the same bus as me. Oh God, nightmare.
What he fails to tell you is he was sat in row 6 and I was in 21.
6 hours 35 minutes at the moment.
Cool, look, I look like I've got up at 3 o'clock.
Just waiting for the bus. The bus takes you to the central train station. And then we might have a long train journey, changes at once. It could be a 4-hour train journey.
But I've got a cup of tea, so all's well.
There's the bus there.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Train. We've been travelling more than 10 hours.
The train journey is longer than the flight.
But it's an adventure.
It's very beautiful scenery.
Almost there.
Nearly there.
Not long now.
Next stop on the one outside on the
11 hours 28 minutes so far. Next stop?
Yeah. Prossima fermata Cetraro, prossima fermata Cetraro.
Already. And we said, yes. Ciao, buonasera. Ciao.
This is Ornella.
must have arrived and look who's here to greet me. And it's taken 12 hours. 12 hours to get here. There's a tree here that is crawling with bees. We don't seem to get many bees in the UK anymore. But it's almost like the whole tree is one big beehive.
So yesterday Ornella brought us round the veggie patches, and basically they grow everything here, everything. So behind Andy there's a wheat field that will be ready in a few months, and we ate loads of strawberries. That took us back to when we were kids, picking strawberries, making ourselves ill. And then we're going to go to some peas, so we're going to go and get some strawberries now. Yum yum, lunch. Peas and strawberries for lunch. Yum. Yes, so we did this as kids. I'm a bit OCD, make sure there's nothing on them. Okay. Oh, it's warm. A warm strawberry.
It's been in the sun. Now that's what I call a busy bee.